So I got all my ingredients together, soaked everything. Everything's ready. We got avocado. We have the 2 mushrooms here, the shiitake and the maitake. And then we have our purple kale. And then, of course, I have my butter lettuce leaves, which is going to be like my tortilla. And so now what am I going to do? I am going to, first I'm going to saute everything. So, of course, what's the first thing I add to all my dishes that goes in the pan is garlic. Yes, garlic is your super duper. And then, of course, you know I only use avocado oil. So, we're going to start with a little bit of avocado oil in here. And then I'm going to add some of my garlic. And then I will put it over the stove and let my garlic, toast and brown a little bit. Like this is my taco dress. Like it? Nice, huh? Okay, so here we go. Time to make tacos for Taco Tuesday. Okay, so I should be drinking tequila, huh? But I know I'm not allowed to have tequila because I get out of control on tequila. So I think I better stick with wine. But since it is Tuesday night, I think I should start with a shot of tequila. Okay. So then, let's see here. What kind of tequila? I know I have some. Okay, tequila. Oh, the tequila's way up high. Okay, so I need to get some tequila. So I'm going to get my little chair here and get my tequila. Let's see, what kind of tequila shall I have? Some Don Julio Reposado. Yum. Now I'm really going to make some good-ass tacos. Some good-ass vegan tacos. So, okay. So let me get my shot together. Yum. Oh. While my garlic is sauteing, I will get a little shot of tequila. Nice. Okay, so I can do my little Tuesday night cheer. Perfect. Yum. Salud. Arriba, abajo, al centro, el cuchi, cuchi, cuchi. Okay? Okay, now back to doing the tacos. So, as you see, I am doing my garlic here. Garlic smells so good. And it's just so healthy. While this virus is going on, I'm making sure that I'm eating garlic every day. Okay? So while my garlic is sauteing, I'm just going to lower this a little bit so you guys can see that I'm going to be cutting up my shiitake here. What I say about shiitake, shiitakes are very good when it comes to, what do you call it? Tumor shrinking. I mean, it's not like they're going to shrink it overnight, but it definitely will help. It's also very high in zinc, and zinc we do need right now. I hope everybody's taking zinc daily, along with vitamin D and vitamin B. Your vitamin C, you should be really getting it from all your vegetables and fruits and stuff that you're eating daily, especially since you know there's a virus out there. So you should be doing all your fruits and vegetables. More than meat, that's fine for my meat eaters, that's fine and everything. But when you want to build your immune system, you really need to be focusing on as many vegetables and fruits that you possibly can put in your body. It's just a natural. It's natural. It's what God has provided, or whomever you believe in. Mother Earth, that's who I believe in. And she's provided all this nutrition, natural things, eating fruits and vegetables that are in season, not the ones that are around all season long, because then you know that it wasn't natural. Okay, so now the garlic is all ready, and now my vegetables are all ready, and now I'm ready to cook. I'm busy tonight, huh? All over the place, adjusting the camera and everything. Okay, drinking tequila, climbing all up on the chair. I'm busy tonight, aren't I? Okay, time for another shot of tequila here, or a sip of tequila. So delicious. Oregano? Yep. I guess I could put, you can't go wrong with oregano. Because, I mean, I take oil of oregano because, you know, everybody knows oil of oregano is very good for fighting viruses and all of that. So, but I also do my fresh oregano and put it in everything that I'm cooking so that I'm getting a lot of oregano. Okay.